Hello guys, in this project we are going to look how to build like a booking system where admin can book, substitute or extra workers or ordinary workers who want to work extra. Imagine if you have a hospital and you want to have extra workers. Of course, you have workers from your already employed workers. Those workers may want to work extra so they can have extra income. Imagine if you have maybe 1,000 people get cancelled their appointment. Is much money that you lose. So how to avoid that? To avoid this, you make this application where workers, doctors, nurse, or assistant nurse or physiotherapist can go there and add on their calendar that they can work extra certain day, certain time according to their availability. How to do that? To achieve that, we have made this application. This our application is tested, fully functional, tested by professional, and is mobile friendly, means that you can use it on mobile, on desktop, everywhere. So let me show you how the application look like. This is how it will look like first. The first page to register, you have to register yourself because it will be like a internal system where only people who have the link will be able to register, because we don't want this application to go on the road so everyone can come and register when he doesn't work there. So to achieve this, we register first. When we finish for registration, we'll get a notification that we have to contact administration to activate our account. So when administration finish to activate our account, that's when we'll be able to go inside the system and start book or add the time of our availability. Let me try to register. Let me use my email, my email like this. Let me use my phone number, my real name. I will not be able to log in. You see, username and password was incorrect. Why? Because it's not activated yet. So I'm going to go the owner of this. I see you can even show and see if they look the same. I have made this by JavaScript. I'll show you later everything how it's made. When I press register, as you can see, now the state is changed. Is changed that I should confirm my email in order to continue my registration. This means that uh, I have already implemented this feature, saying that first we have to use like the new email. So as you can see, let me share. You see that I have already received this email with token to activate my account. So when I go through this link, as you can see, I have already received this. So I can place on this one, but as you can see, I'm running this application local. So let me show you. Let me copy this link and go back into my application. Then we see. So here we go. Copy the link. And my link is here. As you can see, now I received another state. Now this state is saying that they will say my email, because so far this system knows my email. Thank you for verifying your email. Contact administrator to activate your account. So in order for me to log in, email and the same password, I will not 1 2 3 4 5 6 and the login. As you can see, now I'm able to log in. Means that my password recovery work perfect. And if I come to my calendar, I had one, only one is here. So everything work perfect. So everything here works perfect, and I can say that everything here we can change, customize, and make it the way you want. As you saw, a calendar work perfect, profile update works perfect, about us is here perfect, and contact us is here perfect, and we can see everything is mobile friendly. As you can see, you can use this one. The map will show you exactly where your hospital is. As you can see, we may come to calendar, is responsive. We may come to profile, is responsive. Even the about us is responsive, and the contact us responsive, and also dashboard for team leader is responsive. Everything works perfect. So guys, feel free to give me suggestion of what I can change, or if you are interested in this project, or if you want to use some part of it, don't hesitate to contact me, so I can come and so we can talk how we can customize it together. Yes. Then activate the account of that person. When you go in, it will look like this. Let me come here as team leader. When I come here and go to user, I will see that this person is inside here. So I have not yet assigned him anything. I don't know if he's a ordinary, the person who have a contract. I don't know if he's a honorary, like a substitute who work from another hospital who just come here for a visit. I don't know if he can work in emergency room, intensive care, cardiology department, and so on. But all of this I will assign to him later. I'll show you how we'll do it. Then this is the test I used before. If I want, I can even remove them. I can even delete this first so we can go smoothly. Yes, they are deleted. So if I come to this person, as you can see, I will reach here. Then, as you can see, I don't know, I cannot immediately register this person, because if I will activate him or her honorary, is not enough, because I will need, imagine if I have another workers who need access to this application, they will need to come into the system and see exactly, maybe the chief of department will need to go in and see people who are assigned to work on his department. If is a chief of department. He will know how many people who have qualification to work at his department. To do that, we will create group. This group will take the first one. Maybe we can call it. Maybe we can call administrator. Then administrator, we can give him permission. What he can do, he can send SMS to user. This one, he can come and see calendar. Maybe he don't need to change custom user. He can come and change session, view, change and delete. He can view and edit event. I think this is enough. This is enough for this administrator. So let me save this one. So now it's saved. Let's go back. Uh, uh, the okay. Let me go back. The group with this name already exists. I can go back here. As you can see, this administrator already is in the inside. We can add another one. Let's call them maybe department chef. Or from department chef, maybe we can give them the permission that they can add people, because they will decide if the person is qualified to work in their department. We can They can change content. We can They can maybe they can change event or delete event and view event. I think that is enough. Then I will send all these here and save. Now let's come here again. As you can see now, we have administrator, we have department chef, we have this one. So we can assign to person or not assign to this person. So let's this person say that we are going to give him a role as the administrator. So to do that, we will only come here and make it blue. Then we come here, as you can see, those names, phone number are there. Then we'll make that is a staff. We'll make that is ordinary, means that is not a substitute who work from another hospital. Then we may come here and assign him to different department. So here he can work even night at certain house, maybe to differentiate, maybe it's house A or B. He can work night everywhere. Maybe he don't charge extra money. You know, when you work extra, you have to charge extra money when you have a contract there. So sometime you may have to agree with the chef or boss that I will work only extra. I will get the basic salary. I will not extra money per hour. So then you may put like this. Yes, he will no extra money. Then what you do, activate and save. So as you can see, now this person is saved. So as you can see, now his law is changed. Now he's ordinary. He can work in emergency, but he cannot work in intensive care. He can work in cardiology. He cannot work in cardiology. He can work in this department, this department, this department. As you can see, different department that he can work in. Then let's go back. Let's go back on our site. Now let's log off. Let's now log in as that person. As you can see, now let's log in as that person. As you can see, now I'm in as that person. Now, when we come here, um, as you can see, his name is here, is welcomed like this, because I have given him like access to admin. As you can see, now he can come in, but what he can see is not that much as me admin have. Only this one have like permission to substitute and send SMS and see substitute, so he can send email. So when he send this email, it will go to those people who are there. So when he said like this, email email will, the SMS will immediately go to the person that are registered to work extra. Um, Now let's go back and see how he can add on his profile. If we want to work extra, he will come here. This is calendar first, this is homepage, calendar, this is profile. On this profile he can come and change his name, maybe Frank Doe, and update. So his name will be Frank Doe, and this is about that hospital. Welcome to TH Hospital, something like that. This is the name of the chief of company. They might put their picture here. This is about this business. This is what they provide, how they take care of patients, and everything is here. Let's go to contact us. So when you go to contact us, you see it will be pre-filled, that name, all names, and the email. This person will do like this. He will maybe come, hello IT team, and you help me with this problem. Then if it's like this, let's refresh everything. Let's add image. Our error. It was coming and come and test. Let me write something. Now we can send. As you can see, the email sent. Let's see if we have received that email. As you can see here, let me share with you. As you can see, we have received email, hello IT department, can you help me? So means everything is working nice. Let's continue by showing how this application work. Now you have seen, let's go to calendar then and see how we can add if we want to work. I will come here. As you can see, I will, even if the chef accepted me to be qualified to work in all of these department, I may say, I don't want maybe to work in a certain department. For example, I don't want to work in a infectious disease department because maybe I'm scared to get corona. I may remove this one, but I have to come also and check time. As you can see, maybe I want to work tomorrow from 7. I will come here and add 7 o'clock, and I will come here tomorrow maybe up to 16:30. I don't want to work in this department too, in surgery. I don't want to work in this department or this department or this department. Then, if I want, then I may come and send. As you can see, now is here. Let me say on 30th, I want to work maybe night from maybe 20, 30, 30th to up to 7 maybe or 6:30. Then I may say I can work at house A and house B, night shift. I can say maybe I don't want to be assigned to this department or this or this or this. Then send. As you can see, now I have sent and said that I want to work this here. So as now I'm not yet booked by administrator that they want me to go to work, I may come here. I may come here and change. I may come instead say that no, I don't want to work 7. I now here, as you can see, the color is not clear. We can change. May change it. Let me change it first. Let me pause. Now, as you can see, now clear. We can see what we want to edit. We can say no, I will not be available 8 o'clock. I will be available maybe 9 to 17:30. Then I may send. As you can see, now it's changed 9 to 17:30. Now let's see what happened if this person is booked. When it's booked, admin can go there and book. Let's see how it is. Let me log in as admin. Let me go in as admin. I'll come like this. Let me show you. I'll come here. Then I'll come as team leader. Then I'll come into the event. When I come here, I will see all of them who have added like availability on their calendar will be showing here. Then I will come and see which department they can work on, and maybe let me see. I want to search someone who work on 30th May. When I come here, right, 30th May, and search, as you can see, they will bring it. This person will want to work on the 30th of May. Is on top. So I will see if he has like, if maybe I want someone who can work in radiology, I'll come on the column of radiology and see those who want to work on the 30th and they have the right to work in radiology. Then I will see him. Yes, this person is available on this time. I want someone to work in the morning. Yes. Then he wants to start 7 to 8:30 p.m. Yes. Then I may come here let me go and book this person. Then here I may add a department like this. Then maybe let me say that maybe he will work in radiology. As you can see here, he can work in radiology. He have accepted. I may come here and assign him to this department. Then I may change time. I don't want anyone to start 8:30. Instead, I want someone to start maybe 8. Then I may change here and say that you will start 8. No, this is end. This is end 8 p.m. And here, actually, as I can see, he wants to work night because he may made a mistake. This is starting time, means that he wants to work at night. What he did is that he forget to mention the date. So what I will do, I will come and change for him and make this that he will start 8 p.m. to 8:30 p.m. to next day 8 o'clock on 14th. Then change like this and see that everything is nice. I will come. I may even assign him certain department so he's not allowed to go there. Then I may come here and say book. When I say book, I will come here and save. So when I save like this, now as you can see, he's booked, as you can see here. So if this person is booked, um, those who have no right to come here and at booking, they will see that this person is booked. We will go there and I will show you how it will be look like. When this person is booked, he will get the message. The message will be looking like this. Let me show you how the message will look like. Uh, you'll get a message like this one. Let me show you. You'll get this message. So this message will tell you, hey, new pass and you have been booked to work on this date, as you can see, 8:30 at evening to 8 in the morning. Then if you are not available because you are not able to edit again when you are already booked, instead you call this number from the department. And this is the number you can call at night, something like this. The message will be looking like this. Now let me show you how into it will be look like. It will be like this. Now let me log out as admin and log in as that person. This and try to log in. Yes. Now I'm in as Masabo. If I come here and try, as you can see, now that time I'm booked. As you can see, the color have changed, and if I come here now, I'm not able to change anything. And as you can see, I will work here, and they have assigned me a department where I work. And as you can see, everything is here. The number I may call if I'm not available. Then everything. Now I know that on this date, that time, I will go there and work in that department. I may come and add the whole month, my availability, next month, or even a year, my availability, so they can book me in advance, so I can get ready to know that on this date I will work, or I will not work. So this is all about this project. As you can see, everything work perfect. This person can come here and he cannot see anything according to the what we assigned him. Now let's go in and try to assign where other to another responsibility and see what will look like. Let me say that maybe I'm let me use this like this. Let me add this phone number. And say that this is my name. This is my name. Let me add this password. I can see if my passwords look the same. Yes, they do. Then register this mail. Yeah, this is the email that we have already. Let me try another one. Maybe, of course, here I must use a valid email. Otherwise, it cannot work. Because as you can see, we have to verify. So use this one. Register. As you can see, now they have sent email here. This is the email. I have received it. I have received this email. So I'm going to go in and confirm that this is a real email, it's not a spam. Now, what I will do, I will copy this link and they come here. As you can see, they know me now, but I have to contact administrator to activate my profile. To do so, as you can see, now there's no administrator site. But if I come here and log in as administrator, let me come here first and activate this person only, but don't give him any assignment. Don't give him as administrator or something else. Maybe he's a nurse who doesn't go into the system to book someone, only a worker. So I will come here only and do what? Activate him or her. Then I may say that you are not allowed to work on this department, but you are allowed to work in this maybe department. That's where you are allowed. Then yes, is the staff maybe, is ordinary maybe. Then nothing else here. Then I will come and save as now he's activated. He will be able to go in, but now is activated only, but he cannot go to admin. Let's see, now he can log in. Let's log out here and add that person. You can see now he can come here. His name is this one, but look, when he try to come here, he cannot see anything because he have no you don't have permission to view or edit anything, because I did not give him permission. If I can even remove him to see this team leader and do like this. If I come here and come as a test, when I come here and come to this person again like this and remove to be, because only ordinary people who have contract to this hospital is the one uh, who can see on admin panel. So when I come and assign him that he's not he's not allowed, it will look like this. Now let me go in as that person. You can see now this person cannot see anything. Now he can only come and add his the time he wants to work, and as you can see, he may say that he don't want to work this department. Also, he can remove them or just leave them. Let me see, add here. Maybe he wants to work today, evening, maybe 8 o'clock to tomorrow. Tomorrow, which time? Maybe tomorrow, 7. Then he may say that I don't want to work on this department. Then he can do like this. So as you can see, he can see everything and edit, but he cannot go to administration. Then now it's like, let's give him assignment. Let's say that maybe this person is administrator of a certain department. Let's give him assign him responsibility and see. Let's see here. Let's come here and say that this person is a department chef and he's a staff and ordinary. So now let's save this and come to him again and see. See, now as we come, now he can see the admin panel because I administrated him to be part of our team. Then he can come in. Actually, I did not give him permission. I can go in back and give him permission again. Let me give this person permission. I may even come and make him a super user, means that he will have the permission to do everything. Let me only make him administrator, and come here and save and see. But I have also to come again and see who is the administrator. We have two groups. The one for administrator is here. This is what he can do. He can add SMS, a change session, add event. Maybe we can give administrator, we can give him another. Let me see. Change event and maybe change entry. Can add him more responsibilities, and we can honor it. But what he can do is to see, but he cannot change. Let's remove edit. Let me see. Add, change, delete. Add, change, delete. Yes, this is correct. Let's see. Custom is not here. SMS, log entry, session, event. Now let's save. Now this is administrator. Let's see this person and make and see which response. Yes, now is administrator, is activated. Yeah, is yes, this is true. This is true. Is a staff? Yes. Let's activate and see which responsibility now has. Log out. Come in as this person. Log in. Come in. Now this person have another responsibilities. He can see substitute and send SMS to them. So what is next now is that we can give as many permission as we want. So guys, now let's go into the code. As you can see, this is a fully functional Django Python application. We have certain the calendar where we use JavaScript calendar, a schedule app, and we have static files, and we have a user app, and the requirement, and the env to hide our credentials. Database, we are using SQL3. By deployment, we may use PostgreSQL. Everything here, our env is here. This is our settings. In our settings, as you can see now, everything is secured, and this they are getting everything from environment variable, so our credentials are secured. Now we have our view, we have our URL. As you can see, everything is professional. So if you want to go through this application and try to modify or change them, please don't hesitate to contact me. I'm going to leave my phone number. So if you are interested in this project and you want to make it more, or customize it or do what, just let me know down so we can talk. I may even help you to customize and reach the level you want. I want to let you know that everything is tested. Let me show you, for example, if if you want, if you came and find out that you forget your password. As you can see, you make a forget password. Let me say that my name is this one, and you remember I was using the password test 12345. Let me send now. I will get this email. We have sent instruction on how to set your password. So what I will see, they will send me the email to recover my password. So let's see if we receive that email and then continue. Here, let's see. Email here. As you can see here, let me share with you. So you can see we have received this email. As you can see here, this email is coming from TH Hospital, password reset. Then if I go in, as you can see, I'll see to start the password recovery process from your this your email. Then you check your email is coming from here. Then you know that you are going to reset this. Then let me copy this and reset. Let me paste my link here. As you can see, it's coming from reset here. Then put, as you can see, change the password. Now we are going to put a new password. Let's now use test 123456. Before it was 12345. Test 123456. Now send. You can see your password have been set. You can now log in. So if I come here, and try to log in as that person, now I 123456 and login. As you can see, now I'm able to log in. Means that my password recovery work perfect. And if I come to my calendar, I had only one is here. So everything work perfect. So everything here works perfect, and I can say that everything here we can change, customize, and make it the way you want. As you saw, a calendar work perfect, profile update works perfect, about us is here perfect, and contact us is here, perfect. And we can see everything is mobile friendly. As you can see, you can use this one. The map will show you exactly where your hospital is. As you can see, we may come to calendar, is responsive. We may come to profile, is responsive. Even the about us is responsive, and the contact us responsive, and also dashboard for team leader is responsive. Everything works perfect. So guys, um feel free to give me suggestion of what I can change, or if you are interested in this project, or if you want to use some part of it, don't hesitate to contact me so I can come and so we can talk how we can customize it together. Yes.